My name is Lola. I go to Mass Academy and I'm a junior. Honestly, before joining Piece of Pie, I didn't really understand what I was doing wrong. I feel like I was doing the same thing over and over again and getting it wrong or getting it right, but it was not like learning. I am looking for a really good score on math, focusing on math more than reading. I'm also going to do reading. I'm going to practice reading and also grammar and spelling, whatever. But now I just really wanted to do math and develop more my math because I know I'm good at math, but I just didn't know how to study for the SAT. So I was a little bit concerned at first. So before a piece of pie, I think something that was stopping me from improving, I think it was like consistency and also that whenever I got something wrong, the website that I used to practice in, it gave me the answer, but it didn't give me the explanation. Or if it did, it was reading, and sometimes you couldn't understand why, or you cannot ask questions. In Piece of Pie, you have like an interaction with other students that maybe struggle with the same thing as you do. Well, the team makes you a plan, so for the week schedule. They give you the order, you have to upload them or like do them. And they give you normally like 2 hours per day on the week. And if you do have a struggle, if you do have maybe you have, I don't know, you have practice or you have a a competition or something, you can talk to them and they are really flexible so they can help you get on track and maybe you can do before a little bit more or after you catch up. So it's really flexible and it depends on you. And sometimes when I did had to, I don't know, I had a lot of exams the next day and I couldn't do the SAT homework. I would do I would do it like later on, maybe the afternoon, or I would stay up at night a little bit to complete. At first, maybe yes, because I thought maybe 4 hours just like doing an SAT and being on Zoom, maybe it can be a little bit overwhelming or you can get distracted very easily. But if you focus on the first, because we also have the break at the middle, it's usually the middle of the session of the 4 hours. If you just like try to focus the first 2 hours, then it goes by fast if you're really concentrate. Maybe you to maintain concentration, like to be concentrated, you can like just be alone in your room or wherever you're gonna take the class and take away all the distractions like your phone, take away everything that can distract you. I think you can be like I think you can get through it. I really enjoyed my group and my group tutoring and my teacher as well, my instructor. Yeah, I had a really nice like connection. I also had some friends from school. So yeah, I think I had a good time and it was a safe learning experience. Well, I think that they should know about Piece of Pie that it's really for the people who are committed and the people who are willing to sacrifice a little bit of their free time to do SAT and to do homework. I think it is worth it, really worth it. I think it's the best thing you can do to prepare for your SAT. I really recommend it to everyone. I will be taking it again and taking it again because I think I can still do even better. All the team, all the group is really willing to help you and they're really flexible. They have a lot of support and a lot of material and ways you can they show you every single way you can do one single example, one single question. And I think it's really worth it. And if you're committed then you're gonna have really good results. I think nobody hasn't have results from this. Like you definitely have you're definitely gonna have results, like better results if you do the piece of pie and if you actually do all the work. I think the more work you do, the better you're gonna get. The homework with the videos attached, when like the questions, and it had like each question had a different video of explaining how you do the problem. I think that helped me a lot because I tried to do them by myself, but I sometimes when I got stuck, I would click at the video and it helps you right away and it gives you everything you need. From this is my first SAT and I got a 7 on math, and on the on the first mock I got a 50/80. So yes, I'm really happy about it. And it's just it's it's nice to have seen that all this work was for something. I really like the outcome, and I'm gonna keep improving because I think I can even push myself even further. Yes, I think the money and the time was worth it 100%. I think that this is the best prep course you can take. It has really helped me. I'm really happy for the results, and I'm gonna recommend it to all my friends. I think the program is a 10 100%. I think it's the best one, so I would recommend it to everyone. I hear they need help or something. I'm gonna say a piece of pie 100%. I think it's different, like having a tutor, because I didn't have a tutor before, but I know friends had a tutor before, and they would just do the questions with them or just go over the ones they got wrong. But it's not the same as having a prep course, a classroom, and homework, and also you go over the little tests and what you got wrong, and the explanation and the video and everything. And obviously, you can also ask questions in the WhatsApp chat. So I think it's it's more detailed. It has more information, more. Oh, they also have a cheat sheet, or for the week, or a study, things you're gonna see through that week of homework that helps you a lot. It's a key for having all the homework done. And honestly, there's nothing comparable to a piece of pie. I would say that I think the earlier you get to practice or to get ready for the SAT, I think it's the best because you have more time, you're more calm, you have time to improve. You're not rushing or you're not stressed. I just think it's better and you have more time to do more SATs if anything happens. For example, last SAT, there's a lot of people that couldn't take it because the internet went down or something. And so they switched the date and it was on vacation. So there's many people that couldn't go because they already had their flights booked. So yeah, I think that too, just in case you something happens or whatever, you need more time, more SATs. I think you should start as early as you can.